So if you did leave a high spot, this is what it would look like. Basically a darker area of the coating that you left behind that you didn't wipe off completely. Don't freak out. This is why we do our final checks for a panel, or if we did the entire car, we do want to do one final check and make sure that we don't see anything like this, because this can be saved. It can be fixed really easily if you catch it soon enough. If I were to leave this for a day or a week or a month, it's gonna be much harder to fix, but it's only been a couple hours here. I'm pretty sure that I can remove this in almost 10 seconds or less, and I'll show you here. So I can see the high spot, pretty decent size here in the middle of the hood. I tried to wipe it off. It's not really removing on its own. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take an applicator, I'm gonna take the coating and just reapply and try to reactivate this high spot. Just a little bit of coating on there. I'm just basically gonna try to use the solvents in the coating and apply a little bit more pressure than when I was trying to apply the coating, and go back and forth. And what we're trying to do is basically reactivate the ceramic so that when I go and remove what I just applied here, I can wipe off the high spot, as well as ensure that this area is also ceramic coated at the same time. If this doesn't work, I have to come back with either a light polish or a compound and level off that ceramic coating, and then repeat all my prep steps again, decontamination spray and reapply. This is why I do like doing a final check, to make sure if I do have a high spot, I can catch it quick, and it's a very, very simple fix. Take our wipe off towel here and just lightly remove, lightly buff away. And as you can see, I caught the high spot just in time. I was able to remove it with just the ceramic coating applicator.